Virtual reality has taken the world by storm in recent years, changing the way we experience entertainment, education, and even marketing. In the past, marketing campaigns were limited to traditional mediums such as print, television, and digital advertising. However, with the introduction of virtual reality, marketers now have a powerful tool to create more engaging and effective campaigns. Virtual reality allows marketers to create immersive experiences that engage their audience in ways that were previously impossible. With VR, you can transport your audience to a different world, giving them a unique and unforgettable experience. From product demos to brand experiences, VR can be used in a variety of ways to create more engaging and effective marketing campaigns. Product demos are a great way to showcase the features and benefits of a product. With virtual reality, you can give your audience a hands-on experience with your product, allowing them to interact with it in a way that feels real. Brand experiences are another way to use VR in marketing campaigns. By creating a virtual world that aligns with your brand, you can immerse your audience in your brand's story and values, creating a deeper connection with your brand. By creating a VR experience that resonates with your audience, you can create a campaign that is not only engaging but also effective. By leveraging this technology in marketing campaigns, marketers can create campaigns that are more engaging and effective than ever before.